Good morning. It's our dito here in Telio Valtellina, Italy. So now we're gonna going to breakfast, and then we after breakfast we gotta visit something things to see here in Telio. So let's see it's we're gonna be hunting what to say here. We hint like there's a town need to visit here. It's so nice to visit also. So we're gonna be walking like 1 hour. Walking by baby stroller. Good exercise here, climbing and not climbing. So let's go, let's try. Thank you for watching. Hello guys!
Wow.
So we have a good view here in Torre delle Bellemere. Not really climbing much, so it's okay. Look, so nice view. This is the town in Telio. Yeah, as you can see, look, there's a lot of chairs here. Look, a beautiful view. Wow, amazing. Look, amazing view. See?
Hi.
Super amazing. There is a snow here in the mountain. Uy,
Electricity.
electricity. In Philippines pa na is mountain top. This is Italiano kay Torre delle Bellemere. That's a Torre. Super nice view. A lot of chair. You can do picnic over here also. I think summer here, a lot of people coming here. In summer. For now, not a lot of people because it's so cold here. So, yeah, my husband there. So nice. Say hi to my followers and viewers. Super. Hi, welcome. This is my bellissimo marito. Very handsome and very gentle. Gentelly. So, we're going to La Torre. So, that's La Torre over there. And look, the mountain there. So snow. Actually, there is a cable car here, but we cannot ride by cable car because to go to the mountain because we have a baby, so not possible to go there. And so nice here. Look how beautiful it is. You can read book here. Here you can read book using your cell phone. This is I want to look in this kind of where you can hang out, staying, reading a book. So nice. See? See? Ci tavolo ci sono tanti panchini, nei panchini. So we are here in Telio Valtellina. So now, where is my staying here is this is good views here in Telio, which is in Torre delle Bete Mere. Torre delle Belle Mere. So this is a good view here in the Torre, and you can see all the mountains here. That there is a snow and good view and down. And plus another town over there is so nice, the town on my back. And yeah, we are here in Tilio, Valtellina, Italy. It's also belong in the Lombardia region. So yeah, we have do vacation. It's so nice view. So I hope you like this view also. And yeah, I show you on my vlog here. And don't forget also to likes and heart and subscribe my YouTube channel MG Bibs, and of course follow my social media Facebook MG Bibs. So I'm not wearing a jacket here because there is a sun and it's not really cold when there is a sun. But anyway, it's really cold here because it's winter season. But there is a sun, so that's why I didn't wear a jacket. So my jacket isn't there. So my husband is waiting for me. So I'm gonna show you in the next visit of NG Bibs here on this town. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.